Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be exploring two gas-powered tools by Stihl that will help you with your lawn maintenance or if you want to start a landscaping business even. First, we have the Stihl FS56RC brush cutter, known for its exceptional ability to cut grass sharply and effortlessly and not get damaged by thick concrete or edges. Next, we'll be taking a close look at the Stihl BG50 blower. It's also gas-powered, boasting an impressive airspeed of 71 meters per second. So get ready for both the in-depth reviews as we do a job on one of my properties. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is the Stihl FS56RC brush cutter. This long trimmer weighs 4.8 kilograms, which is about 11 pounds. Not too light, but it definitely has the power to do all your gardening and landscaping. The features of Stihl's is the easy start technology, so makes it very easy to start. Its strings are also thicker, helping you cut the grass more sharply, go against the curbs without it damaging the line. Its gas-powered engine runs on fuel, 11.5 ounces. It's 340 cc. The cutting swath is 16.5 inches and its engine power is 0.8 kilowatts or 1.1 bhp horsepower. So let's put it to the test. As you can see, this trimmer efficiently and smoothly cuts through the grass and there pretty much isn't any vibration while operating it. So this is the Stihl BG50 gas-powered handheld blower. If you're looking for a lightweight blower, easy to use, is equipped with an anti-vibration system, which is important for maybe some older people, then this is definitely something you wanted to consider. There's a manual fuel pump, multi-function control handle as well. As you can see, there's a standard choke lever without an auto return or run function when you pull the trigger. To start this blower, we need to level the choke between the in and run positions. On the top, you'll find a simple on and off switch, the off position for stopping, and click on position for starting the blower. Let's get this thing started. As you can see, the Stihl BG50 is doing a pretty good job overall. Now let's dive into its specifications. This blower boasts an air volume of 412 CFM and the airspeed is 71 meters per second, providing a powerful blowing force of 13 N3. So if you're looking for a reliable and effective blower to keep your garden clean, the Stihl BG50 is a fantastic choice you may want to look at. Alright, so there's very thick oil stands here. So first you got to put oil primer. So as you can see, the end results are pretty nice. We did the job quite efficiently, quickly. Everybody's happy. So obviously I recommend these tools, and that's something that you may want to consider when you're shopping for a blower or trimmer that's gas powered versus electric. Nobody likes cables. You're gonna like them in the beginning, but nobody likes tangled up tagos. That concludes the video. See you on the next one.